Hi guys, I wanted to just come on here really quick before we get into the cleaning. I don't want to do much talking throughout the video. Actually, I'm probably not going to do any talking except for at the beginning. But like I said, I just want to say hi and give you guys a little bit of insight on what I was doing. So this was 2 days worth of after work cleaning, and I did about an hour each night, so about 2 hours worth, and I called it my power hour each night. Sometimes we just don't have enough time or energy to get hours worth of cleaning done, so 1 hour here and 1 hour there, you can really get a lot done. I focus mostly on getting the dishes cleaned and in the dishwasher, and also folding laundry. So I'm glad I caught up. I got about 4 loads of laundry done, and I had all my dishes cleaned and put away or in the dishwasher by the end of the night. So I'm glad I accomplished that. I don't want to do any more talking. I just want to let you guys kind of enjoy this video. And if you have some cleaning that you need to do, feel free to watch this and get some cleaning motivation to get you started. Or if you're cleaning along with me, that's awesome as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos.